Hello, good day, and welcome to Fancy Empire Online Training. It's another free training. You're welcome. So my name is Mercy, the creative director of Fancy Empire, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a turban cap with a non-stretchy fabric. When I mean non-stretchy fabric, I mean satin, ankara, any fabric that is non-stretchy at all. You can use it for this design. You can use it to make cap, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. So material needed we need satin fabric. You can use ankara, just as I said. You can use taffeta fabric. You can use any fabric of choice. We need crinoline. This will be used for the embellishment, for the design. We need applique. You can use any applique of choice. We need our gum. We need our scissors. Then matching color of thread, and we need our needle as well. Also, we need tape rule. So let's get started. Now let's work on the body of the turban. In making a turban cap, we have three parts we need to work on to take note of. We have the band, we have the body, then the design, and also the handle. The handle is for a cap that is not stretchy. Why? For a stretchy fabric, you don't need hand for it. But for this, we need hand. So let's work on the body of the turban. Now for the body of the turban, this is what we have. The measurement here is 28 inches. 28 by 13 inches. Let me measure it so you see. So this is 28. You see it? 28 inches. And the length is 13. Can you see it? By 13. Now, you take it to your machine because you want to achieve a neat finishing. You take it to your machine, then you sew it round like this. You fold it like this and sew. You sew it. Fold there, sew it like that. The four corners, you sew it. So here is it. I've sewn it. See it? I sew it round. Can you see it? Now, this is the body. For the band is 28 by 5. 28 and by 5 inches. So, I'll take it to my machine. I'll sew this place like, I will secure it like this. Can you see it? Like this. The other side too, I secure it like this. Then, I'll sew it like this. Hope you understand. This is a good side. I bring it together like this and I'll see it. I'll do that and show you the outcome. So either you fold the edge, fold it like this, then you sew. You fold the other side too, inward. So, having done that, so I'll fold the two edges. You bring this side together like this. Then you sew. So once you are done sewing it, you turn it in out. Turn it in out. Like this. So this is the pant. You turn it in out. So I've turned it in out. Then this is the body of the turban. This is the outside. This is the good side. You pick your band and place it on it, and then you sew from the beginning to the end. See? You place it and sew it. So this is it. You have sewn it. Look at it. Now you will not join it here. You just put this aside. We work on the handle. So this is the handle I've cut it. This is 12 by 3.5. You can make it 12 by 4. Depends on you. But this is 12 by 3.5, and I cut it in 2 places. Now I will take it to my machine. You know we are after a neat finishing. So I'll do it this way. I'll fold it in, then and sew. I'll just fold it in once. I'll sew. The same thing with this. So let me just show you how to do the handle for those that don't have an experience. So this is it. You fold the edge like this once, then you sew it. So after sewing it like this, you bring it to two like this, then you sew. You sew it like this to the edge here. So this is it. Cut away the excess. Then you turn it in out like this. You can put your scissors so that it will be easy for you. Start your scissors and push it in. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So you do same thing on this. What you did for this, you do on this too. So this is it. These are body and these are two hands. Now, you pick the body of the turban. You place the hand here like this. And you sit. Then you sew. Go to the other side too. You place the hand like this. At the edge like this. Then you sew. So now I'll take it to the machine and show you how to attach it. So this is the hand. Just place it at the edge like this. Then you sew it. This is what we have. You do that for the other side too. So this is it. You see it? Now let's close it. You can choose to leave it like this to be like a scarfinator. But for me, I want to close it so that it will just be like a cap, like a turban cap. So you close it like this, and then you sew. For the sewing, you start after the band. You start sewing after the band. Look at it. Can you see it? I start sewing from here. I will not touch here. I'll start sewing from here. What is it? So here's it. The cap is ready. Now, meaning the finishing. Now, you insert your thread and you gather it from here to here. So this is the cap. I'll gather it from after the band here. Like this. Like running stitch now, normal running stitch. To this place. So once I get there, I'll return the thread back. I'll pass it back. Then I don't want this place to be too tight, so I release it a bit. Sit. I don't want it too tight. Then I tie. My cap is ready. So here's our cap. Here's the back. See how neat inside this. See how neat it is. Now let's work on the design. So for the design, you cut out 60 inches. That is the whole length of the satin by 12 inches. 60 by 12 inches. Then you take it to your sewing machine and I'll sew it from here, from the beginning to the end. I'll join it together like this. This is a good side, facing each other, and I'll sew it from the beginning to the ending. I'll sew it, then I'll turn it in out. So here's it. I've turned it in out. Now you pick your crinoline line. This is a big crinoline line. You insert it inside. Since this is 60 inches length, you can buy 2 yards of crinoline line. It will be enough. So you insert it like this. So here's it. I've inserted it. You see it? Here's it. So now I'll bring the two edges together like this. Then I'll take it to the machine and I will sew it. Then you sew. So here's what we have. I've sewn it. Can you see it? Now I'll take my needle and thread and I will gather it round like this. I'll gather it. Just watch. Like this. Round. You pick the crinoline inside. When you see it, then you drag this and then you tie. Yeah, you tie it very well. I double my thread 4 times, so when I put it inside the needle, it was now 8. Hope you understand. So that is what I did. So tight it very well, and a beautiful design is ready. See it. So now I'm going to place it on our turban. You scatter it like this. Well. It's beautiful. So let's put it on our turban. So these are turban cap, satin turban, and these are design. So you locate where you want the design to be on the cap, and then you tack it down. This is where I want it to be, right? So I'll look for a way to tack it down neatly. In order to secure it so that it will not move when you are removing it, you just place it where you want it to be, like this. You pick your office pin and secure it down. That will help you keep it in place so that it will not shift position. Pin it. Pin it. That's it. So once you are done pinning it, you then remove it and use your needle and thread to tack it down. Some use gum, but I prefer to just tack it and gum in it. So I remove it and then I tack down. This is how I tack. The same spots, take it back. Then I tack it back round. I secure another place. Insert. Tack. I'm done. I can remove the pin. Once you are done, you just cut the thread and then you tie it. So here's what we have. So you can wear it on your head, on your mannequin, to be sure you are okay with the tagging. Once you are not okay with the tagging, you retag it. So let's put it on our dummy and check if it's okay before we continue with the embellishments. So after tying it, the hand will be inside. You don't leave the hand outside. The hand will be inside. So that is how to tie it. The back. So this is what we have. So this is what we have. You see it. Now, this is applique. You can use any applique of choice. For me, I'm using this. So there are different applique in the market. You can buy it and use it to embellish. You can even put feathers. You can embellish with whatever you like. But for me, I want to embellish with this. So I just put my gum. So I'll put my gum and I will place it like this. And this is how it is. See how beautiful it is. For neat finishing, this is it. Put gum on the applique first. Apply your gum very well. And you place it gently on it. So you can apply stone, you can put anything you like. So just to embellish it. So if you are putting stone as well, you put the gum on the stone, then you embellish it with it. See how beautiful it is. Now there is one thing we call turban lift. Turban lift helps lighter fabric like this to stand well. When the fabric is not that is light and it's not standing well, just wear it under your cap. So let me show you how it looks. Turban lift under this. This is what we call turban lift. We use turban lift, other turbans that are light like this, so that it will give it volume and it will stand well. You see it? So you wear your turban lift, then you wear your cap. You know it's light, satin is light, so it will give it volume and it will look very beautiful. So you wear your cap under, and then you wear it on it. See how fine it is. Then you tie. You can leave it like this, or you insert it like this. So this over here. Here's the back. So you can choose to still embellish it here. You can take this. And put it like this. You put your gum and then you attach it like this. See how beautiful it is. And here's over here. So beautiful. I'll wait your practical. This is lovely. Like very lovely. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget I'm FMC Empire. Contact us for your headwear and bridal accessories. Training as well. See you next time. Bye.